Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So I want to give you a quick update today on my cantaloupe, melon, and watermelon seeds that I planted. They are starting to germinate in these containers here. This is our cantaloupe. I'll show you the watermelons here in a moment. And this is one of our watermelons here. This is a blacktail mountain, and I believe I have some other watermelons coming up too. And these are starting to germinate for us. Now, I do have to check these for water to make sure that they're not drying out, because even though they're in these kind of like little greenhouses, they will dry out. So you want to make sure that you keep checking them for water, make sure that they're moist, because if they dry out, it can either one, slow down or stop germination, or two, if the seed already germinated and it dries out or dries out too much, it will actually kill your seedling. So we don't want to do that. We want to make sure that they're nice and moist. So definitely, keep checking on them. And I'm really happy that these are germinating. And as soon as we can, then we'll be putting them out in the garden. Now, when these get a little bit bigger, I'm going to be giving them another dose of that neem oil solution that I mixed up in the first video that I soaked the seeds in. I'll put down how I mix it. And then I just, water the soil again with that mixture, just to try and make sure that we hopefully don't have any issues. And I say hopefully because, nothing is guaranteed. Something could still happen. But I've been seeing really good results from using the neem oil this way as a soil drench and as soaking the seeds in it. So, I'll be putting a link down below for the neem oil, and I just wanted to show you these. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.